What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Every so often, we come across technologies that feel like they've been teleported directly from a sci-fi movie set into our reality. Today, we're diving deep into 10 such inventions. These aren't just incremental updates, they are paradigm shifts in robotics, mobility, and data collection. This is a long one, so grab a snack, and let's explore the future. EDAG CityBot. We start not with just a vehicle, but with a vision for the entire ecosystem of a smart city. The EDAG CityBot is a revolutionary concept in modular, autonomous transportation. Think of it as a master platform, a skateboard chassis brimming with sensors and AI, upon which various interchangeable pods can be attached. This single autonomous vehicle can be a public transport module in the morning, shuttling commuters to work. During off-peak hours, it can automatically dock and switch to a logistics pod, delivering packages across the city. At night, the same base platform might attach to a street sweeping or waste collection module, cleaning the very streets it traversed during the day. The genius of the CityBot is its holistic approach. It's designed to be a multitasking, zero-emission workforce that reduces traffic, pollution, and noise. It's not just about getting from A to B. It's about making the city itself a more efficient, living machine. This is the kind of foundational technology that could truly redefine urban life for generations to come. Leica BLK2FLY. When it comes to mapping and capturing the real world in precise 3D, the Leica BLK2FLY is in a league of its own. This isn't merely a drone, it's a fully autonomous, flying laser scanner that captures reality with stunning accuracy. Its key innovation is what's known as LiDAR, light detection and ranging, which fires millions of laser points to create a point cloud, a digital twin of any environment. What sets the BLK2FLY apart is its turnkey autonomy. You simply define the area you need to scan, and the drone plans and executes the entire flight on its own, avoiding obstacles and ensuring complete coverage. It's used by architects to document existing structures, by construction teams to track progress against blueprints, and even by forensic investigators to capture crime scenes in perfect, immutable detail. It's essentially giving us the power to create a perfect, measurable digital replica of the physical world, from the safety of the air. Pool Live AR. Now, let's step into the world of augmented reality gaming. Pool Live AR is a brilliant application of smartphone technology to enhance a centuries-old game. Using your phone's camera, the app employs advanced computer vision to instantly recognize the pool table, the cue ball, and all the other balls in real time. But it doesn't just see the game, it augments it. It can draw trajectory lines showing you exactly where your shot will go, helping beginners understand angles and spin. It can automatically keep score, eliminating arguments. It even offers creative mini-games and challenges that would be impossible on a physical table alone, like targeting virtual objects or playing with special power-ups. This technology demonstrates that AR's greatest strength might not be in replacing reality, but in enriching it, making classic hobbies more interactive, social, and accessible to a new generation. AVIDRONE 210TL. Moving into the realm of heavy industry, we have the AVIDRONE 210TL. This is a drone built not for hobbyists, but for professionals who need serious payload capacity and reliability. With the ability to carry up to 25 kilograms, that's over 55 pounds, this drone is designed for the most demanding jobs. Its applications are vast and critical. It can be fitted with high-resolution survey-grade LiDAR systems for mapping vast mining operations. It's used for maritime logistics, safely transporting supplies to offshore vessels and oil rigs, a task that is traditionally dangerous and expensive. In agriculture, it can carry large tanks for precise crop spraying. The 210TL is a testament to the maturation of drone technology, proving that these unmanned systems are no longer just for cameras, but are capable of performing heavy-lift, real-world work that directly impacts major industries. Acento Guard. Security and surveillance are being reimagined by the Acento Guard. This isn't a slow, rolling robot on tracks. It's an agile, two-wheeled automaton with a unique leg mechanism that gives it a distinct advantage: multimodal mobility. On flat, paved surfaces, it zips around efficiently on its wheels. But when it encounters a curb, a staircase, or rough terrain, its articulated legs allow it to step up and over the obstacle with ease. This hybrid design makes it perfect for patrolling the complex outdoor environments of corporate campuses, logistics yards, and solar farms. Equipped with thermal and RGB cameras, LiDAR, and powerful AI, it can autonomously navigate a preset route, detect anomalies like an open door or a misplaced object, and even approach for a closer look. It provides a persistent, all-weather security presence, freeing up human guards to respond to the incidents it identifies. Leica X1. Prepare to have your concept of a display completely shattered. The Leica X1 is pioneering a field known as tactile holography. Unlike VR or AR headsets, the X1 creates physical, visible pixels in midair, using a focused laser pulse. This laser ionizes the air at a specific point, creating a tiny plasma glow, a voxel, or a 3D pixel. The result is a true, glasses-free 3D image that you can not only see but also feel. Because the laser creates a small shockwave with each pulse, your fingers can sense a tactile feedback when you touch the floating image. Imagine a mechanic manipulating a 3D model of an engine, a surgeon planning a procedure on a floating heart, or a designer shaping a virtual clay pot with their bare hands. The Leica X1 isn't just a screen, it's a bridge between the digital and physical realms, and its potential is staggering. Hydroboat 1200. Our waterways are getting a high-tech guardian. The Hydroboat 1200 is a sleek, electric, autonomous surface vessel designed for precision data collection on rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. Its catamaran hull provides exceptional stability, which is crucial for the sensitive sonar and sensor equipment it carries. This boat is a workhorse for hydrologists and environmental scientists. It can be equipped with multi-beam sonar to create highly detailed bathymetric maps of riverbeds and lake floors, revealing erosion, sediment buildup, and underwater structures. It can also carry probes to monitor water quality in real time, tracking pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, and pollutants. Because it's electric and autonomous, it can operate for hours without disturbing the environment with noise or emissions, providing a clean, quiet, and highly efficient platform for understanding the health of our planet's vital water systems. Surf eDNA. Staying with the theme of aquatic science, the Surf eDNA represents a new frontier in biology, the study of environmental DNA, or EDNA. Every creature living in the water sheds tiny fragments of DNA from scales, skin, or waste. The Surf eDNA is an autonomous kayak designed to be a mobile lab for collecting and analyzing this genetic material. Its mission is to conduct biodiversity surveys without the need for destructive methods like trawling nets or direct observation. Scientists can program it to patrol a bay or a section of a river, where it automatically collects water samples and filters them for EDNA. Back in the lab, this DNA is sequenced, revealing exactly which species are present in that ecosystem. This allows for the non-invasive monitoring of endangered species, the early detection of invasive species, and a comprehensive understanding of the hidden life within a body of water. It's a silent, robotic detective, uncovering secrets written in the water itself. Pick a Pelican Cargo. The future of regional cargo delivery is here, and it's both all-electric and fully autonomous. The Pick a Pelican Cargo is a massive, fixed-wing drone that looks and performs like nothing else in the sky. With a payload capacity of over 180 kilograms, 400 pounds, and a range of 200 miles, it is designed to operate from short, unimproved airstrips, making it ideal for reaching remote communities, islands, and mining sites. Its primary use case is for tasks where speed and access are critical. It can deliver medical supplies, vaccines, and spare parts to areas with poor road infrastructure. In agriculture, it can transport fresh produce directly from farms to markets, bypassing logistical bottlenecks. Because it's electric, it's dramatically cheaper and quieter to operate than traditional aircraft or helicopters, offering a sustainable and scalable solution for closing the last-mile delivery gap even when that last mile is across a mountain range. Highwinder SpiderPi Pro. Finally, we land at the intersection of education and advanced robotics. The Highwinder SpiderPi Pro is a sophisticated, six-legged robot kit built around the powerful Raspberry Pi single-board computer. This isn't a simple, pre-programmed toy, it's a full-featured platform for learning and experimenting with real-world robotics, artificial intelligence, and Python programming. Its hexapod, six-legged, design offers superior stability and agility compared to wheeled or tracked robots, allowing it to navigate complex, uneven terrain. It comes equipped with a high-quality camera, enabling it to perform advanced computer vision tasks like face recognition, object tracking, and color detection. Users can program it to follow a person, avoid obstacles, or even perform complex coordinated dance routines. The Spider Pi Pro is a gateway, putting the tools to understand and build the future of AI and robotics directly into the hands of students, hobbyists, and researchers. And that's our look at 10 technologies straight out of tomorrow. I'm honestly blown away by the EDAG CityBot's vision and the Leica BLK2FLY's pure sci-fi factor. But I want to know what you think. Which one of these was most surprising to you? Let me know your top pick in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, do the algorithm a solid and hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. We explore groundbreaking tech every week, and you won't want to miss what we cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.